All of us at ipDatatel want to welcome you to our training video on the Cellular Bat. The Cellular Bat is compatible with most alarm controls that transmit contact ID. Transmissions are made over the internet and by cellular CDMA technology. Alarm notifications are by text, email, and/or computerized voice call. The Cellular Bat supports a full-function virtual keypad for supported alarm controls through a smartphone. For other alarm controls, the Cellular Bat supports an arm-disarm virtual keypad, and the Cellular Bat can provide excellent two-way voice communication. ipDatatel received the prestigious Security Industry Association's Award for Best in Residential and Monitoring Solutions for 2013. Installation is simple. In this first illustration, we are connecting a supported alarm control. There are 6 conductors needed to connect the Cellular Bat to the alarm control. A 4-conductor cable is run from the control's keypad bus to the Cellular Bat's receive and transmit terminals, 5 and 6. To support power, connect the black negative wire to terminal 4 and the red positive wire to terminal 3. Connecting a conventional or voice-over IP telephone line is no longer used. Then, add a 2-conductor cable to connect the alarm control's tip and ring to terminals 1 and 2. Then, plug in the connection to the broadband internet. The cellular transmission together with the IP transmission is highly recommended. However, the Cellular Bat can operate in just cellular mode. In this second illustration, we are connecting a non-supported alarm control. Connect a 4-conductor wire. The yellow wire connects to transmit, which is terminal 5. The green wire is connected to the key switch on terminal 15. The black wire is negative power and connects to terminal 4. And the red wire is positive power, which connects to terminal 3. Then, add a 2-conductor cable to connect the alarm control's tip and ring to terminals 1 and 2. Please note that by default, open and close signals are suppressed from going to your central station and are handled within ipDatatel's system. However, by request, these signals can also be transmitted to your central station. Then, plug in the connection to the broadband internet. Next, we will show you how to program the Honeywell, DSC, and GE alarm controls for the Cellular Bat, immediately followed by instructions on how to set the OTA for all installations. For Honeywell alarm controls, Enter programming, installer code followed by 800. Then enter *41 and enter your primary receiver telephone number. Enter *43, then enter your 4-digit account number, followed by *. Enter *193 and enter 10 for virtual keypad smartphone operation. To exit, press *99. For DSC alarm controls, first enter programming by pressing *8 and the installer code. Enter section 301, then enter your primary receiver telephone number. Enter section 310 and enter your 4-digit account number. Enter section 350 and make sure your panel is set up to transmit contact ID, then exit the program. For GE Networks alarm controls, first enter programming by pressing *8 and the installer code. Enter device 0, location 0, and enter 15 followed by your primary receiver telephone number. Enter location 1 and enter your 4-digit account number. Enter location 2 and enter 13 to program contact ID. Then exit the program. The final programming step for all control panel installations is to set the OTA, over-the-air provision, which identifies the cellular sites in your immediate area. You should have the top 4 green LEDs on and the lower LED number 1 flashing. Press the top left reset button 3 times. This should restart the Cellular Bat, and you will see all LEDs go out. Following the reset, you will see the top right LEDs strobe for a moment. And then you should have either 3 or 4 of the LEDs remain on, indicating good signal strength between the Cellular Bat and the cell towers. The bottom LED should be flashing. Your OTA cellular information is complete. The Cellular Bat delivers alarm control compatibility, incredible speed retransmitting alarm signals over the internet, and cellular network alarm notifications. Provides a virtual keypad, has 2-way voice capability. ipDatatel helps you power your business with state-of-the-art technology, where all of our products are built in the USA. Call us for expert advice for all of your alarm communications needs.